If you need a last minute Christmas gift or some custom decor for your home, these are a few of my favorite Christmas themed 3D prints. We're starting with this beautiful lithophane ornament. It looks great on a tree and makes a personal gift for family and friends. To begin, open a photo editor. I use Photopea because it's free and easy to use. Create a new project and set the canvas size to 4000 by 1000 pixels. This helps the photo wrap cleanly around the ornament without leaving out too much space. Add your photos, scale them to fit the canvas, and export the file as a JPEG or PNG. Next, we'll go to the free site lithophanemaker.com, scroll down, and select Lithophane Globe Maker. Upload your image and adjust the ornament size. Sizing the ornament can be tricky. If you're using the same lights I recommend, pause the video and copy my settings. You can find a link to these lights in the video description. Make sure you enable flip to image. If you skip this step, the photo will print upside down. Now we can export the STL file and import it into your slicer. For the best results, use a small layer height to capture the details and print at a slower speed to reduce vibrations and artifacts. Ignore the support warning, you don't need supports for this print, but it's a good idea to add a brim or raft to improve bed adhesion. Once the print finishes, we can glue in the lights and hang it on your tree. I've always had a hard time finding ornaments with my name on them. That's why I love this file from KurLDesigns. It lets you create a fully personalized ornament for yourself or as a gift. Once you load the files in Bambu Studio, changing the name is simple. Select the text object from the left panel, then open the text edit options in the top bar. If your name is too long, you can adjust the font size or switch styles to make it fit. Now we're ready to print.